one? Okay. I'm doing a vlog. Okay. Yan, ito. Ayan sa train. Yan. That's how it is in auto train. Yan. Oh, wow. This is wet. Guys, kailangan mag-mask. Andun yung ano. Ayun siya. Yung orderan ko, ando dun. May sukli. Guys, ayan mga dollar. Ayan no, guys. Tatry ko yung ano, yung red wine braised beef. I'm gonna try this one. This one. Can you see, guys? Yan. Because of the COVID, and they don't serve in the dining right there. Yan. They don't serve. Ayan. There's nothing in here. So, we just have to order. And we just have to order what we want. And they have chips over there. And a menu over there. And that's how it is. So, and they'll be closing in like 45 minutes. Okay.
You want the braised beef you said, ma'am?
Yeah, is it sweet?
Sweet?
Yeah, no? It's not? Okay, I want to try that. Okay. Yan, gwapo yung ano, yung nag-ano dito. Yung nagsiserve, malaki lang ang ano. You know, alam mo na. Yan. Is it okay for you to be included in my vlog?
That's fine.
Yes! He said why? He said hello! Yeah. He's one of the Armtrack Auto Train employee. Yeah.
Anything else for you, ma'am?
I think I want some Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola? Or
Yeah, I'm done with wine. Those new friends that I have there, they're pretty tipsy. That's good.
Alright, so one Coke, and then of course the beef braised.
Yes, sir.
I'll bring that up here for you. Go ahead and insert your card at any time.
Okay.
Total comes to $17.50, okay?
Okay. What time do you open in the morning?
We'll open up right at 6 a.m. for
Oh,
breakfast.
good.
We'll have a selection. You can come right on in. We'll have coffee, bananas, crumb cakes, cold cereal, orange juice, milk, all that good stuff. You just come right on in. We'll get you served.
Okay, that's good. Ayan guys, inaano ko yung ano, pinapunch ko yung credit
They
card
smell
ko.
pretty good. I'll try one eventually.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I hope it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's really good.
As long as it's not sweet, you know the
Noodles
what's
are-
that?
some
Yeah,
noodles are sweet.
Asian noodle bowl. It's sweet, and I don't eat sweet food.
Me either. And I tried it one time.
That's why I had the cup noodle. You know.
Yeah. These ones have it's braised beef. It has the medley of vegetables, and then it also has polenta as the starter.
Oh, see guys. Next time, try the auto train. It's fun. Even though it's a long hour travel, but it's fine.
So what, if
It's
you're
really
traveling
fun.
on 95.
Yeah. Okay.